Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Buy and install Grand Theft Auto Roman 4 on PC or console first. On PC, update the game to the latest official patch or community patch. Recommend a broadband connection with at least 3 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload. Decide whether to use Steam, Games for Windows Live, or the multiplayer mod. Install the chosen multiplayer platform and create or sign into your account. Ensure your NAT allows peer connections and forward ports if you experience issues. Keep controller or keyboard bindings ready and microphone enabled for voice. Open the multiplayer menu from the game's main menu or pause screen. Choose Join Server to browse public servers and view player counts and ping. Filter servers by region, game mode, player limit, or ping under 150 ms. To host, select Create Session, set player cap, choose mode, and set password. Share your IP or server name with friends for direct connect or party invites. Use voice or text chat for coordination and mute noisy players when necessary. Respect server rules and report cheating to keep matches fair and fun. Learn common game modes like Free Ride, Team Deathmatch, and Cops vs. Robbers. Use cover, aim with right trigger, and use explosives for area denial tactics. Earn cash by completing races, missions, and player bounties to buy better gear. If you lag, lower texture quality, limit background downloads, and switch servers. Check firewall settings and forward UDP ports if you cannot connect to friends. Keep the game and mods updated to the latest versions for stability and security. Practice driving and shooting in low-risk lobbies before high-stakes competitive matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.